So I thought I would show you guys this car before it leaves. So this is 100% built here. Engine built by Daniel, fuel system, everything on the car done here. It's just about to go to Allsparks for a tune this week. LMGTs, completely stock outside, completely stock inside. The only hint what's under the bonnet is the Haltech. And this is the good part. So 2630, Nitto bottom end, assembled here. Lots of PRP stuff, big precision turbo, 6 boost, Koyo radiator, some Plasma Man stuff as well. This car should make some really good power. I'm absolutely in love with this car. 32 GTR, I've said it before, is epitome Japanese car for me. Catch can built here also, RB, needs a big catch can. Cool piping, exhaust, everything done here. So I just got to quickly take this for a drive, make sure the speedo's working, and then we can send it off. God damn. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to raise this thing. I can hear the tyre rubbing, so definitely raise it before the dyno, because there's no way that's gonna survive under full load, the power this thing's making. I'll keep you guys updated on what power this makes. It'll be good to show you guys, you know, what the shop can do building a car from scratch. If you guys are interested, that is. And what a difference this 3-litre bottom end makes, like torque-wise. Like, it's so torquey down low. But anyway, I will keep you guys updated. Oh yeah, she's definitely rubbing. God damn. One last look at this thing. Woo. So if you're not up to date with what's going on here with the VN, I'll give you a quick backstory. Car dropped a valve on the dyno, retainer locks popped off the top, valve hit piston, where we have this damage. We also have damage to the head. It's a lot easier, instead of trying to do K-frame and sump and both heads off in the car, I decided to just pull the motor, and that's what we're up to right now. And we are pretty much ready to go. Everything is off, all wiring, fluids, every single nut and bolt, well I think anyway, is disconnected, and this engine is ready to pull out. I'm going to leave the trans in. Unfortunately I don't have an engine crane here today, so I'm going to have to grab one from work, and then we can put it on an engine stand at work and really see how bad this is. So here we are, ready to go, and you always got to match your engine crane to your car, 100%. So this is ready to come out, everything is undone. Let's see how many people complain about this, and this thing is ready to come out. As far as I'm going to go before reinforcements arrive. This is about as far as I can go. I'm super impatient, that I've said about 50 times, so waiting for Daniel to come, I decided to just send it. Actually popped out really easy, but I think I'll wait from here just to get over the rad support and try not to smash the bonnet. Bonnet might have to come off, but we will see when Daniel arrives.
Oh, yeah, he's coming, he's coming.
Alright, I got it out by myself. So I don't know if when putting it back in we're going to pull the box out, I don't know, but for now it was just easier to leave it in there. And she's out. This is like deja vu. So I'll take this to work on Monday and pretty much see where we go from there. Put on engine stand, flip it over, drop a piston out, see how bad it really is. So now that this thing is out, before I take it to work, I think I'll pop this head off as well, just so it's easier to strap down in the back of the car and doesn't, you know, heavy on one side tip over, something like that. So I'm gonna pull this side off. I completely forgot to drain the oil out of this thing as well, so I'll do that also. And we'll get this in the back of the ute. So this is the driver's side, so this side's all good. Nothing wrong here. So we'll load this up, we'll tape it up, load it up, and off to work. Alright, we officially made it. Engine is now at work. Figure out what we do with that. But in the meantime... Hey mate. We have this ultrasonic cleaner that I'm going to put all this stuff in and see how clean we can get it. So what this is, with I think vibration and mixed with this stuff, whatever chemical this is, put it in here in the tray, gets hot. I'm gonna leave it overnight and we'll see how good it gets. Let's have a look. Wow. What a difference. Remember, these were like brown. That stuff has come up brand new.
Morning. Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something.
I'm going to tell you something.
You reckon?
Wow.
Oh.
That's not full compression.
Oh.
Hello.
See? There's a small gap, there's a big gap.
It's not as bad as I thought, but yeah, it's definitely kicked over. I'm not going to know until we get it out. No, it's definitely down, 100%.
Yeah, we set a straight edge across it.
Yeah. It keeps wanting to rest that way.
Yeah, you can push it back over, but it slowly goes back.
Yeah, but it's got a decent lip. Fuck, it did a good. Actually, look at the dint.
Yeah, it's huge.
You know what happened? It's dropped and just gone bang, 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 and pounded it. Jesus.
All right, so Troy's too impatient. He wants to just flick the engine on its ass and drop that piston out.
Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ah, right on my shoe. It took so long to put all this together and then...
Daniel loves taking his time. See it? Yeah. See how the ring is stuck?
So let's collapse the skirt.
Yeah,
it's like slightly.
Yeah, it's. Yeah, you can actually see it. It's not. I don't know if the camera will ever pick that up, but
Yeah, you can see it there.
yeah,
It
so
starts
see.
to dip there.
Yeah, so it's dipping. Fucking hell! It only did the top bit. I'll just get the hammer and knock it back up. Oh, this is a press pin type. See that? How that's stiff?
Tight.
That's not good. That should not. That should be freely. So we've probably done some serious damage.
So you reckon a rod as well?
What rods are these?
Stock.
This must be a very, very early LS1
VX, I think.
because it doesn't have. They're not full floaters. Yeah, there's some. Without getting the pin out, there's definitely something going on here. Hello, then. Hello.
Yeah, collapse the skirt.
Well, the crown, they call it. Can't get the ring out. It was definitely not. It was definitely not a. Put it back in and run. I shit you not, it would have ran. But what's that?
So yeah, that's where we're currently leaving it. Got it here in the Engen building room. All wrapped up so no shit gets in there, not that it really matters at the moment. And as you saw, it is very, very hard to see, but the crown of the piston, now I know it's called a crown, not a skirt, is collapsed. So it's really hard to see, but this top ring is stuck in there. Like you cannot move that at all. If you sit a straight edge across it, you can see it, but sort of to the eye, you can't. So yeah, that's where we're at. Actually, to be honest, not sure which route we're gonna take at the moment. I think I'll just take a little bit of a break, do some Evo stuff, and have a long, hard think. See you guys next week.